Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Habakaran na kinong patay khubor hadin ka jelang play ya ka India International Cherry Blossom Festival. Hakani kinong ba shilong nakalyang umentri rang ba ka jala konrat ke sama ula jubak ru halor ka jingkali jong kinong patay khubor kata halor ka jing sain dor thamai ki surok bat kilenti singken hakani ka jala kanthop ru ya ki ba hakani kinong ba shilong ban palai na ka jing thangkali ka ba ka sarkar meghalaya haki khindiat banai menchua kalawan ra ru da ki reu shampang nari Japan ki banyarap ban ajing mod halor kini ki surok
and a collaboration with Japan would be a natural process, not just because cherry blossom is something that is linked with Japan, but also because the relationship between India and Japan is at a stage where it's really growing. And I think most of the time when we see relationships with India and other international countries moving forward, we always see that the Northeast states are left behind. So therefore, we really felt that whether it's a relationship with Germany, France, all the nations, when India is moving forward, I think Northeast states also need to be part of it. And that's the reason why we felt that we can use this as a very strong link between India and Japan to really take the relationship forward. And that's the reason why we called the Japanese ambassador. And it's just the beginning of a relationship. And I'm sure that we will see many more things happening. And in this growth story of India-Japan relationship, Meghalaya also will play important. The national highways that are coming up in most part of the Northeast, a lot of them are being funded by JICA, which is a Japanese agency. So therefore, it is a understanding between Government of India and Japan. But obviously, in that entire financial transaction, the Northeast is going to gain a lot. They have a very strong attention that they're giving to Northeast. In Meghalaya alone, I think I will not be able to give you the exact number, but at least minimum 3 to 4 major highways will be taken up. One major road that is connecting from Dhubri to Pulbari is going to be taken up by JICA. So clearly Japan is showing a lot of interest in the Northeast. And as I said, this kind of events will help the relationship get stronger and cement the relationship in a much more productive.
I like to encourage my business people to look into the possibility to do business in this beautiful state. I had a lot of possible projects to be implemented together. When I back to Delhi, and I like to talk with the people in Tokyo, how far we can do, what kind of a project we can implement together. As Nobu Chief mentioned, a lot of potential agricultural food processing area, a lot of exchanges of people should be done, and also we like to continue to support infrastructure project in the state. That is very important to have a connectivity within the region and also to connect with your neighboring countries like Bangladesh or Myanmar. So we are very happy and we are very much committed to the development of the state. And it's my good friend, very dynamic Chief Minister. I'm sure that we can do a lot of things together.